Hi guys, welcome back to another favourites video. So today I'm going through some of my February favourite products. These are the ones which I have picked out to showcase to you guys this month. These are the ones that I've been trying all month and I absolutely... Now with this video I'm also coupling it with the monthly showcase from people that submitted images over on my Facebook group. I'm combining the two again, as again I've just run out of days this month. This month has just flown. So let's start with my favourite products. I'm going to start with this one, which is the Jackson's eraser. Now this is a round soft eraser. It's a medium softness rubber eraser, and this cost me 95 pence from Jackson's Art Supplies. I'm not exactly sure what the dollar conversion is, but it's pretty cheap for an eraser, and it's quite large. You can see it is quite a size in my palm. It's a lot larger than the Caran d'Ache eraser or even the Cretacolor eraser. It's a little bit firmer than either of those erasers as well, but I like the firmness for this, and it actually erases graphite pretty well, and it erases coloured pencil really well as well. I'll insert a couple of clips of this guy in action just to demonstrate for you guys, but I really like this one. It's had a fair bit of use. I've also used it on pastels just to see if it erases as well from my Art Snacks unboxing, but I really like this one. This has actually replaced my regular erasers. I just really like this one. It just gets rid of a lot of marks and lines really effortlessly, so this is my eraser of choice this month, and it will probably continue to be for a couple of months until I find one that is even better. So if you guys have any other recommendations for erasers that you love, pop them down in the comments below, because I love checking out new supplies. The next thing I have on my list is this bad boy. This is a Goldfarber white coloured pencil. Now I've picked out this one specifically because it is so opaque. If you watched my white pencil comparison video that I posted a couple of weeks ago, you would have seen that this performs incredibly well. It performs better than the Caran d'Ache Luminance pencil. I really love this. I will also pop a card up above to for you guys to go and watch that video if you're interested in seeing how it compares against the other brands of pencils. I put 7 brands of pencils together and this one was one of the top ones. So this is my outstanding pencil of the month. I've been using this in my coloured pencil portraits in the Fox that I've recently done. I'm using it on my Holland Cow at the moment as well, and I love this because it is part of the Faber-Castell brand. If you don't know, Faber-Castell Polychromos are my favourite coloured pencils. They're ones which I always go to and ones which I primarily use. So having a Faber-Castell white pencil that performs really well and can work in conjunction with those Polychromos is amazing for me. So this is one of the most outstanding products that I've used. This is student grade as well. This isn't even artist grade. This is a student grade pencil and it just performs superbly. So if you haven't got yourself one of these and you want to check it out, you can buy this open stock on Amazon for £1 at the time of recording, which is the 25th of February. So they are £1 on Amazon at the moment. You can't buy these on Jackson's Art Supplies. I haven't checked any other art websites, but I'm pretty sure you could probably pick it up fairly cheaply. They are a fairly cheap pencil to get a hold of. So that is that. And finally we come to my last product, and that is the Slice tool. And this is specifically the Slice Craft Cutter. It is incredible. I was a little bit dubious about this because I've seen a lot of other artists using them and I thought, what's all the fuss about? Let's purchase one of these and give it a go, shall we? So I purchased this from Amazon. It was £16 roughly, and at current time of recording it is £16.19 on Amazon. Of course you can buy these from different outlets. You can buy it from Slice Direct. I don't know if it's any cheaper. I haven't actually checked, but I bought mine specifically from Amazon. And yeah, that's how much it was. There are a ton of different tools on Amazon. In the Slice range, there's like a box cutter, there's a manual pen cutter. They all have the same sort of ceramic blade, like this one here. But you have a a load of different tools with the same sort of blade that can be used and applied in various ways. But the way in which I use this is just how I use a scalpel. I've done multiple videos before on how I use a scalpel. I use this in exactly the same way, just to scratch away at the surface of the coloured pencil to reveal the paper white underneath. I'm going to insert a clip of this in action on my current piece, which is the Highland Cow, just so you can get a sort of overview of exactly how it works. But this is in essence just a craft knife, exactly like an X-Acto knife or something like that, but this is different because it has a ceramic blade and it is supposedly meant to last longer. It stays sharper for longer, so you don't have to change blades as often, which is the appeal of this. And I love anything that will last longer and I don't have to continually purchase stuff for, because my X-Acto knife, the blades dull incredibly quickly and I'm always changing those. So this I have been using throughout my Highland Cow. I've also done a few little trial sessions with it, and so far it has stayed the same sort of sharpness, so I'm pretty happy with that. And it actually removes the colour from the paper a lot better than what my X-Acto knife does. It does an outstanding job. It can take away large patches, small patches. It does a really fantastic job, and I will be reviewing this product in the coming month, so make sure you look out for that video if you want to see this in action and learn a little bit more about it. But that is just basically a quick overview of this. I absolutely love it. If you want to check this out and want to purchase and try it for yourself, I've left the link in the description below along with these other two products as well, so if you fancy giving any of these three a go, check them out in the description below. So I think from now on for future months I'm just going to pick out 3 standout tools like this so that I can showcase to you guys that I've been testing and using, and it's not so much of an overload for you guys. So that's it for my favourite tools for this month, so I'm going to jump straight into showcasing some of my favourite pieces from those submitted over on my Facebook group for the month of February. So I'm just going to leave you guys with some really nice background music so you can just look at all the lovely artworks that have been submitted and just enjoy the rest of the video. If you like this, make sure you give it a big thumbs up with that button below, and if you're new here and you want to see more videos like this, then make sure you hit that subscribe button. I post tutorial videos, art videos every single week for you guys, and if you want to be featured in the community showcase for March, then make sure you head over to my Facebook group or use the hashtag AmieHowardArt on Instagram or Twitter, and I will have a look through that and select some artworks to showcase to you guys. But I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!